In 2017, TASC Holdings were contracted for a new build poultry farm in Shropshire. The project comprised of two separate poultry sheds, each one measuring 2,500 metres squared in size, that were to be fitted with underfloor heating and a new plant room. Over the course of 10 days, TASC Floor Systems would install 1,750 sheets of 35mm grid insulation, 20,000 metres of 20mm Roth X-Pert pipe, and stapling over 45,000 staples to secure the pipe in place, ready to accept a concrete floor. Over the course of the project, our team would walk a total of nearly 20 kilometres laying the new pipework, with a further 15 kilometres being covered by the team members, whilst laying the membrane and insulation sheets. In addition, TASC Mechanical Services, our mechanical engineering team, installed 2 times ground source heat pumps and worked on a custom-made plant room. Carbon steel press fittings were used to connect all the heat pumps, and our skilled engineers worked on steel welding and fabrication of pipework and butt welding of the plastic pipe. The client now has a 40% more efficient system over traditional fossil fuel, and with the installation of air handling units designed to remove the ammonia and recycle the heat generated from the birds, is saving on greenhouse emissions and energy consumption. Our team completed the project 3 days ahead of schedule, ensuring the clients could keep the development on track. If you have any requirements for our services, please do not hesitate to contact us, and a member of our team can discuss your project needs.